जागतिक कॅन्सर दिसाचे फाटभुंयेर मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलांत कार्यावळ जाली। कॅन्सर सारख्या दुयेंसा वांगडा झूज खावन ताचेर मात करीत आपले जीवन जगप हाचेर दोतोर शेखर साळकार उलयलो। तशेंच कॅन्सराचेर झूज खावन जैत मेळोवप्यांनी आपले अनुभव सांगले। आडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान निलेश परवार।
काल 4 फेब्रुवारी actually was World Cancer Day, and we celebrated actually one day prior also. We yesterday also and today also we are doing. On Saturday we took a lecture for the Santa Cruz higher secondary teachers, and all there are around 75 teachers were there. Yesterday we had in Margaon, and the Ravindra Bhavan Gunjan and Sophia gave for the human rights activist. I think this is an official function today we are doing, where we are very pleased to have most of our survivors who are here. I must really congratulate all of you for fighting against the cancer. As somebody has said, you have to defeat. There can be only one winner in cancer, and that has to be you. You cannot allow the cancer to be a winner in this game, in fight against cancer. And we all have to do it together. It's not that again only the surgeon can do, or chemotherapy or radiotherapist can do. It is everybody has to take. The hospital itself, you people have to fight it out. Your family has to fight it out. And important सगळ्याच्या हातून support system जे आसा आमच्या समाजात, I think that is very important. You require a strong support system to continue with this fight against cancer. Because हांगा कशें आमी सदांच पळयतना कॅन्सर तो पेशंटूच पळयतात, पण पेशंटा बरोबर ताची फॅमिली ऑल्सो हॅज अ लॉट ऑफ सफरिंग. स्पेशली द हजबंड ऑफ द वायफ हू इज हॅविंग, ताका केन्ना संवय नासता सगळें घरचें काम करपाची, घरचें कांय खबर नासता, आनी तातूंत सडनली यू फायंड दॅट द खांबो म्हणटा जो फॅमिलीचो आहा तो sick जालो with the lady, then it becomes a really problem, and that is the time when this support system of the family is important.
आमी खूब जाणांनी जे झूज दिला कॅन्सरा कडेन, थंय इट वॉज इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन वा फायनान्शियल बॅकग्रावंड. सगळ्यांक कॅन्सर एक करता, कोणाक सोडना. कॅन्सरच न्ही, खंयचेय दुयेंस कोणाकूच सोडना. आनी थंय खंय तरी आमी एक जातात. आनी सर्वायवर म्हणून आमी हांगा जेन्ना आयल्या तेन्ना आमी हें यशस्वी तरेन एक झूज दिलें. हाज्या खातीर आमकां सगळ्यांक परबी.
I'm also a breast cancer survivor. I've finished 8 years. I was diagnosed in 2010. When I was diagnosed, everybody told me, don't worry, everything will be fine. I thought, how can it be fine? I mean, it's cancer. I thought they were just being kind to me. You know, I was scared of the disease. I was scared of the treatment. I was scared of the physical pain that I might have to undergo. But actually, the fear troubled me more than actual disease and the diagnosis or the treatment. It was the fear which troubled me more, and that's why I want to tell all of y'all and I never miss an opportunity, whether it is with Muskan or Manipal or whoever calls me, to tell them ki cancer is curable. I mean, you can lead a life. Even I wouldn't believe it at that time. It was, and if anything, I think if anything had changed, it's changed for the better. I am feeling even better as a better person.
I was diagnosed, but I never expected that I would be a patient one day. I took life very easy, and I said, oh, it's for somebody else. Till I one day, felt a little uneasy, and I said, no, it's something different. So I ran to my doctor, and I said, doctor, my arm is paining. So he said, what happened? You went visiting somebody? Because another friend of mine was also operated a week before. So did you go to visit your friend? So I said, I went to visit my friend, but then I don't know why my hand is paining. And I took it for a time because I had a little dog that was sick. So every day I used to take it to the doctor for her injections, and also I thought maybe it's because of that. You make excuses. But then he said, okay, come on, let me check you. And once he said, I don't think it's good news, but don't worry. We'll go through it together. So I phoned my family. That was my best support system. They came from all over, and they met my friends, all of them, neighbors, everybody. I think they are the first people to be there for you before you even see your doctor.
10 years now that I have been living with cancer. You can see that I'm leading a normal life. I have no complaints. So don't be worried. Cancer is nothing to be afraid of. You can fight it easily if you lead a regular, well-balanced and enjoy a good diet, follow a good diet, exercise. I'm sure the survival rates have been improving. And early detection, I want to stress on early detection, like doctors have said.